Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. So happy you're here. Hope you stick around, hit that subscribe and hang out with us. We do subscription boxes, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. I'm Laura. This is Zena. Wyatt's trying to hide from... I said the exact opposite. This is Wyatt, and Zena is trying to hide from us. That's what she's doing. Huh, buddy? Is Zena's trying to hide from us? Can we pull her back in? She wouldn't like that very much. All right, for today, I have September's Glossybox. Love Glossybox, love it. This is a beauty subscription box. You get it every single month, and it's kind of like a self-care box sent to you each and every day, like a fun little treat. Love it. And this one is one that you can purchase 12 months at a time, 6 months at a time, or just monthly. If you want to purchase it monthly, you certainly can. But I love this brand. It's all about positivity, uplifting, self-care. Love it. And this month's theme is pure relaxation. Let's dig right in. I think we all need that right now. I know I'm feeling like I need it right now. I'm filming this as I am trying to wrap up a million things before I try to take some time off. So the timing couldn't be perfect. It couldn't be more perfect. So here's what I see when I open my box. So it always comes in an outer layer for shipping and then the pretty box on the inside. It says, what is this? This is for toilet paper. It's an ad for toilet paper. It says, who gives a crap? This is the most you'll think about toilet paper all year. It's one box of our toilet paper lasts the average person just under a year. Use this code at checkout and save $10 on your first order. So I'm gonna have to check that out. It's whogivesacrap.org/skin. I'll put the I'll put the email address down below in case you want to check this toilet paper out. Who gives a crap? I'm sorry, that's funny. All right, let's get to my Glossybox. It always comes in a nice box, like the kind of box that you could store things in. It's nice and sturdy. I wish you could feel how heavy this box is. Oh, Wyatt, look at Wyatt. He's like totally into my box. What do you think, buddy? They always give you a little booklet that tells you all about the items inside your box. This box costs $21 a month if you buy it monthly, but if you go all the way down to 12 months at a time, it drops to $18 a month. But I have a code, so you can get your first month for even less. So we'll go over that in just a minute. So this is, like as I said, the pure relaxation box. And let's see, it's going to tell me right inside, will tell me all about the items inside my box. And there's a bunch in here. So typically you get about $75 worth of product. And I think you get about 6 items. Look how pretty, tied with the bow. Just ripping it right open. First up, this is called Stress Check Clean Hands. No rinse formula. Moisturizing, purifying hand gel with 70% alcohol and pure essential oils. It's called This Works. And this is 2 full ounces. It says, this is a travel size. It says, Stress Check Clean Hands. Keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hardworking hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized whenever you can't get to some soap and water. So this travel size is worth $6, and you can also get the full size on the Look Fantastic site for $15. I am taking this on my trip with me. I leave tomorrow. All right, next up, I have 4 Sigmatic Mushroom Cacao Mix with reishi, and this is called, it says Chill. So this is, here's what I'm looking at. Treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cacao mix made with reishi mushroom. You'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. This 2 packs is worth $4. If you buy 10 packs, you would pay $20, and this is on the 4sigmatic.com site, and it says the top tip: in the evening, add 1 packet to 6 full ounces of hot water, stir, and enjoy. Nice. And it does give you instructions on the back. Cool. All right. So obviously this maybe helps with sleep, right? It's better for bedtime. Next up, what do I have here? These things are packed in here. This looks like a full size. This is by Terre Mars. This is 5 full ounces. It is a full size. The MSRP is $23. Clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting it at the same time. This organic, low-foaming, aromatic cleansing gel, which is suitable for all skin types, is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. All right. The top tip is to dispense into your hands, massage onto soaked skin from neck to toe, and then rinse thoroughly. All right, so now I've got a body cleanser I can take with me too. I'm loving these. I think this might even be nice to take on my trip with me too. I can see how because I can see if it really does help me sleep a little bit better, because I won't have to get up as early, right? So next up is toothpaste. I'm all set. This is David's Premium Toothpaste, Whitening, Anti-Plaque, Fresh Breath. All the things I need here. I'm gonna have all the things. Between last month and this month, I think I'm totally set. So this is David's Natural Toothpaste and Peppermint. Freshen your breath with this premium, sustainable toothpaste. Designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen breath, David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. This is a deluxe mini valued at $4.95. The full size is $9.95, and you can get it at davids-usa.com if you wanted to buy more. Okay. There's still more stuff in here. Next up is Daily Hammam Mitt, lifestyle size. All right, so this is detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow, made for your body. This cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin, so you can look and feel great. This is $14. So you just apply your cleanser to the mitt, then use over wet skin to exfoliate. So you're supposed to avoid using it on the face though. This is for the body. And I have one more thing. This is a great box. One more thing. This also looks like a full size. This is Astaxanthin Thin Collagen All-in-One Gel. And this is by DHC Skincare. This lightweight facial moisturizer tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It's powdered by astaxanthin, a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to get a little bit off of the top here. Here's what it looks like. Doesn't really have a smell, but it feels really nice. Just put it on my hand. Yeah, there's no smell to it, none at all. It feels very nice. You can see it's just going right into my skin. There's no oils or any real residue left behind. This is valued at $49, and it is cruelty-free and vegan. And you can get more of it on the Look Fantastic site. This is also a full size at 4.2 ounces. I'm going to take this with me too. I'm all set. And that's all my items. What do you think? I love it. Glossybox. There's a Glossybox skincare. So it says the original Glossybox skincare range was created from subscriber feedback. So you can go out to the Glossybox site and see that as well. I see that on the back of my little pamphlet here. So I wanted to call that out. I think this was a really fun box. So keep in mind all those products, $21 a month. And if you buy more months at a time. The price goes down from there. I do have a link for you. If you use my link down below, you'll get your first box for $16. I believe my code is Laura, but I would just use the link. Make sure that you get your discount. But I think this is an awesome box. I love all these products. I love that they have beauty, face products. They also have hair products, all the things, even the toothpaste. I love it all. All right, so I got the little mitt. I got the face cream here. It's gonna brighten and tone. I have the nighttime bed drink here that's gonna help me. I also have the body wash, as well as, and what is Wyatt doing back here? Is he being bad? As well as the hand cleanser that's gonna keep me safe on my trip. All the things I think that I need. You behave, will you behave? All the things I need for my trip and beyond and afterwards, right? All right, thank you so much for spending time with me today. This was so much fun. I hope you like Glossybox as much as I do. It's quickly becoming like my favorite beauty box for the price. So I hope you do enjoy it. Please hit that like if you do. Hope you hang out. Hit that subscribe. Please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And until next time, bye everybody.